Hello students, welcome back to our channel Roboarmy. Today we are making a circuit to control DC motor using L293D motor driver. Have you ever used a DC motor? In this video you will learn how to control a DC motor using a simple push button and a motor driver. Let's build our circuit. We have some components here. One double battery holder, to which I already connected two female jumper wire for connections. Next we have a 7x2 size wheel. One mini breadboard of 170 pins. Two lithium-ion battery for powering our circuit. For controlling our motor we need a L293D motor driver. L293D motor driver module is a medium power motor driver perfect for driving DC motors and stepper motors. Next we have a push button to control our current supply. One DC gear motor. And at last some jumper wires. Let's start building our DIY. Place the push button on the breadboard. Insert the jumper wires in breadboard. Connect the L293D motor driver to push button. Connect one wire from push button to VCC of L293 motor driver and second wire to input 1. Connect the DC gear motor to motor driver. As you can see in the diagram, the current flows from battery to L293 motor driver. As soon as I presses the push button, the current pass from terminal 1 to terminal 2 of the push button. After that it goes to L293, input 1, which in result starts the motor. Now it's time to power up our circuit. Insert the battery positive wire to VCC and negative wire to ground of L293 motor driver respectively. You can see that whenever I presses the button the motor starts. Let's attach a wheel for a better view. You can make mobile robot using motor driver and push button to control the motor. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button if you liked the video.